Good morning, children. So, children, question number 7. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. Hence, show that minus 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. How to do? Previous sum you have done. Like that only you have to do this also. Let root 5 is a rational number. Then root 5 equal to p by q, where p and q are integers. They don't have common factor. Both sides you take as square. Root 5 square equal to p by q whole square. That is 5 equal to p square by q square. Cross multiplication you do, you will get p square equal to 5q square. P square is divisible by 5. So that implies p is divisible by 5. Now let p equal to 5k, where k is an integer. Here both sides again you take square. P square equal to 25k square. In the place of p square you just write 25k square. That means p square equal to 5q square. You can write 25k square equal to 5q square. That implies q square equal to 5k square. Then q square is divisible by 5. That implies q is divisible by 5. P and q both are divisible by 5. But it is not possible. Therefore, root 5 is an irrational number. Now, in your question, what is given? Minus 3 plus 2 root 5. Minus 3 and 2 both are rational numbers. Therefore, 2 root 5 is irrational number. As product of a rational and irrational is irrational. Therefore, minus 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Okay. So, like this only you have to prove. Next, question number 8, second part. Here also you have to prove 3 minus 5 root 3 is an irrational number. How to do? Let 3 minus 5 root 3 is a rational, and let 3 minus 5 root 3 equal to r. Then 5 root 3 equal to 3 minus r. Root 3 equal to 3 minus r by 5. Since r is a rational number, therefore 3 minus r by 5 is also a rational number. But root 3 is an irrational number. Therefore it is not possible. So 3 minus 5 root 3 is an irrational number. Okay. Now say children, real numbers. Real numbers are divided into two parts. One is rational number, another one is irrational number. Rational number again divided into two parts. One is integer, another one is non-integral rational numbers. Now again integer is divided into two parts. One is negative integer, another one is whole numbers. You know whole numbers? From 0 onwards you can say that is whole number. Now whole number is divided into two parts. One is 0, another one is natural numbers. Because whole number starts from 0 and natural numbers means what? Counting numbers are natural numbers. If you mix both, you will get whole numbers. Okay. And real numbers, all decimal numbers. If you take all decimal numbers, then that is also divided into two parts. One is rational numbers, that is denoted as q, and another one is irrational number, which is denoted as q dash. Rational numbers means terminating or recurring decimals, and in irrational numbers you will get all non-terminating and non-recurring decimals. What is terminating or recurring decimals? If you divide any fraction, you will get answer in decimal. Okay, that means 1 by 4 means that is 0.25. Okay, that is terminating decimal. If you will get answer as continuing part, then that is called non-terminating or non-recurring decimal. Okay. Some important facts about irrational numbers. The sum of two irrational numbers may or may not be irrational. Similarly, the difference of two irrational numbers may or may not be irrational. The product of two irrational numbers may or may not be irrational.